Hello, I come to you in the car starting this vlog because I have a plan for our video this time. I was gonna say this week, but we know that my consistency went really far downhill. So, but I just watched Kayla, why can't I remember the name of their YouTube channel? I'll link it below. But anyway, I just watched a vlog by Kayla, and they got a bunch of the new Big Twist yarn, the Halloween themed Big Twist yarn from Joann's, and I want to make a cardigan out of at least two. So I have ordered them from Joann. Almost all of the stores in my area is completely sold out. There is one store that had skeins of this color, these two colors that I wanted, and it is an hour away. So I ordered them, they're ready for pickup, we are on our way. We're going to Mount Vernon, Washington, which is actually more than an hour away from where I am. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna pick it up. I will do a little haul for you of the yarn, and I got some other Halloween home decor bits that I'll show you. And then this video is gonna be making those two cardigans. I'm making two out of two of the colors. And I'm excited. I think they're gonna look really cool. So that is gonna be our crafting adventure for this video. So I'll be back with a haul soon. Hello, all right, welcome back. We did our adventure. It took us like 3 hours, I think, to get there and back and get the stuff, but I'm gonna do just a quick little haul for you so you can see what I got, and then we will jump into some projects. So I did get a couple of Halloween home decor items. This really pretty candle holder is one of them. I got two of these. There's another one up there. And then I also got some dish towels. I just thought these were pretty, and honestly something I can use all year round. And then I also got like a, what is it called? I can't think of the word. Garland is the word. I got a garland as well, and it is just the moon phases. If I hang that up at some point, I will show you, but I'm going to show you the thing that we all care about the most, the two different Halloween yarns that I got. So the first one that I picked up, this is from the Big Twist Value Halloween series. There were 3 different colors. There is this one, which is Witch's Potion, which is really pretty with some like green and purple, white, and little streaks of black. So I'm going to work this up. I got 3, 6, 7, 8 of these, and I'll work this up into a cardigan. And then I also got the Vampy Reds color. I was hoping this would be a little more red. It's a little bit more browny red than like true red, but I'm gonna work it up and we'll see what it looks like. There was a third one that was called Jack-o'-lantern, which had some oranges, but again, I thought they were a little bit on the brown orange side, which I didn't like, so I did not get that one. So I got 7 of these. I tried to order 8, but they only had 7 left, so I have 7. And we are going to work on these 2 cardigans in this video and we will see which ones I get done. Should, I think, be able to work them both up pretty quickly. I do need to figure out if I want to just do the sides solidly in these colors, or do I want to interlace them with some black, because I did pick up some black as well. So do I do like 2 rows of this, 2 rows of black, or do I do a full side of like this color, and then I do the other side with like half this color, like the Witch's Brew, and then half black? So I don't know. We have some options. We'll see. I'll start working it up and see how I like, if I like it. But I'm thinking I might really like doing 2 rows and 2 rows. So that's what we're going to do in this video, is we'll work on these 2 cardigans and hopefully have both of them done by Halloween. We've got a few months, so we will see, but let's get started. Alright, well I decided to go ahead and do the 2 lines and 2 lines. We're going to do 2 rows of this Witch's Brew and 2 rows of black, and we're going to start this cardigan. So, let's go! Hello, I wanted to give a little update. We're almost halfway. We're at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rows so far. It looks so good. I'm happy that I did the black. I think breaking it up makes the pattern or like the pooling of the colors in the Witch's Brew. What is this called? Witch's Potion. I think it's making that pop even more, so I love the way it looks so far. We're gonna keep working on it. Hopefully I can finish this side, this half in the next day or so. That's my goal. And then we can work on the second half, and then hopefully I can have this cardigan done by the weekend. What a little vibe, my little cauldron cup with my little Witch's Brew. Oh, I love it. So I actually bought this bowl for Halloween candy, but I decided to use it as a yarn bowl. And what, it looks so cute with the cardigan and my Aurora hook. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. I just made dinner, but look how cute. I need these hooks to restock. I know they were limited, but I need them to restock so I can get more. But oh, so cute. All right, I'm gonna try a new angle. Let's see how this works. But I have finished the first side. This is 1/2 of the cardigan done with the arms seamed. How cute is this? I love the colors. I think they came out so nice. I love the color pooling. I love the black bands. I think it really makes the color pooling pop. So very excited about this. And I have started on our second side. We're about 10 rows in so far. So we're looking so good. I have gone through one entire skein of the black, and then I have gone through one of the Witch's Potion, and I'm almost done another one of the Witch's Potion. So we'll be finishing up with at least a third skein of the Witch's Potion on this cardigan, but hopefully we can get it done this weekend. Now for our second project of the weekend, I'm running into the issue that all crafters run into, is that I have too many supplies. And it's getting kind of bad. So I'm gonna show you what our closet of magic looks like right now, and I'm gonna show you what I got in order for us to hopefully make it better. All right, let's take a look at how bad our crafting closet is. Oh no, it's so bad. I got this a couple months ago to hold all my yarn and my sewing fabrics, and as you can see, I have fully outgrown it. My old tea cart is now a yarn cart, and it's not good. So we are going to fix it, hopefully today, hopefully within the next couple hours. That's the goal. I would like to reorganize all of this. This shelving unit is coming out, and we're gonna reorganize everything, and we're gonna use these guys. Let's get it open. I'll show you what it is. Well, I'm trying to open these boxes, but Kimari wants to help. Okay, so these are some cubes for organization, just some like little felt cubes that I can put stuff in. So that's great. All right, and so this is one of those like cube organizers. It's very similar to like how this is, but it is customizable. So I'm sure if you have been watching crafting creators on YouTube, you've seen these before. This is just from Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive, and it's going to allow me to get way more storage space without spending hundreds of dollars, because if I were to buy multiples of these, it would have been very expensive. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. We use this to make the cubes, and then these are the corners. They'll clip on here and allow us to assemble this. So we're going to first pull everything out of here that we can and give us some room. Okay, we've done it. We've cleared out all that. I've moved everything that was hanging here to here, and I'm gonna build it in this corner against this wall. Let's just not talk about how much stuff is in that office, or that little closet. Oh yeah, all right, let's get started. Okay, I have finished the build. I didn't really record it. I didn't record it at all because I was just in the zone trying to make sure I got it done, but it's perfect. Exactly the size that I wanted. I'm gonna start filling it now. I do think I like it better on this wall, so I have more hanging space here for things. I just need to figure out where I want to put this. There's not quite enough room to put it next to this thing, so I might try to just like tuck it under here and put shorter things, like hang shorter things on top of it, and then hang more stuff in front of it. But we're gonna start filling this with yarn and crafting stuff. Well, my office is still a mess, but we're looking pretty good. So much, I have so much yarn. I have so much more than I thought I had. But we do have our little cart under here that's got like, oops, what am I looking at? It's got sewing stuff in it. And I reorganized up here and up here, so doing pretty good though. I'm happy with it. Hello, I have a midweek update for you. I've finished the base of the cardigan. So as you can see, I've finished both sides. I have seamed the sleeves, I've put the halves together, I've added our ribbing, and I've added our cuffs. Very cute. Now I'm just trying to figure out what kind of pocket I want to do. I have the idea to do a heart pocket, but I'm not sure I love it. I might just do regular pockets. I might do a regular pocket and just put the heart on top of it. I don't know, haven't figured it out yet, but that is where we are. Why? Anyway, we have made progress. We finished this, which means I can start on, what am I filming? I can start on my next project, which is the oleander scarf. So we're probably gonna dig into that pattern this weekend, because it is Thursday. So tomorrow, maybe we'll start on the pattern, for sure on Saturday. What are you guys doing? All right.